Okay, good morning to Madam. First, we want to present the assignment, the Charter IPT service. First, I can introduce my group member. Okay, my name is Isyam Adi bin Muhammad Najib. The matrix 07 DKA 23F104F.
My name is Muhammad Amirul Shazri bin Asari. My registration number is 07 DKA 23F1024.
My name is Azri Zahan bin Azri. My number matrix 07 DKA 23F1021.
My name is Muhammad Rehman bin Asmadi. My matrix number is 07 DKA 23F1009.
And first, this is our icon for the apps that our Charter IPT service. And the second is the feature. The feature is this homepage that you can pick up a location and a destination that where you can go, and they have many selection for service. For example, you have a car service and a parcel service. That these two have many type of delivery and service. And the function is in this homepage you can find many various places and show type of delivery and parcel delivery.
Second, the feature is transport. The characteristic is they have 4 types of transport. First, premium. Second, comfort. Third, family. And last is student. For premium, the price is RM 5 ringgit. For the limit for premium is 3%, and the type of car is sedan car. For comfort, the price is RM 7 ringgit. That car that can give fully luxury for customer that ride branded car. Third, family. The price is RM 9 ringgit. That can fit in 7-seater person. Last is student. The price is RM 4. For student, economical for student that have a lowest price.
And
The function is make it easy to go somewhere for those who don't have a vehicle.
and feature, this one was delivery, and characteristic they have 3 types like bike, motorcycle, car. So you can choose one of them, and function is characteristic have and run delivery. And function, it make easy for student or people to buy anything without going outside home. And this was payment. Characteristic, this payment have multi payment option in this app. For example, you guys can choose one of them, like credit debit, and cash payment for those who don't have card, and CPay payment that Cartes apps make. Function it easier to convenient give payment.
Okay, next. The picture is profile. Look at this. Is setting, then support, then notification, then promo code, then what. The characteristic. First, they are account. They have our picture and personal information. Second, setting that you guys can set up and the apps. Then the about they show our all the information about charter. Okay, for the function mobile can to store the data and collect all data.
And lastly, to summarize all about our apps charter IPT service, we give the advantage and disadvantage. For example, the strength. We have 3 strengths. The first one is reasonable price. That in our IPT charter IPT service, they have the lower price that we give. And number 2, the professional service. We give the professional service for our driver, and order won't be cancelled and fully checked by rider. And the third, easy of payment. All the payment that we give for this app is easier than our friend tell us is they have 3: cash, CPay, and card. And the weakness for our apps is they have 3 also. And the first one is customer safety. They have a slightly road safety, customer location, customer personal information that we cannot give to all our customers. And the second, traffic challenge. We know that all in this traffic jam. And the third one is in-app message. We give the vehicle green lightness.
And that's all from us. Thank you.